Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. Mrs. Davis needs to select 2 students for an after-school program. She will choose from a group of 9 boys and 3 girls. What is the probability she will choose a boy followed by a girl? Okay, so we can see here that we are going to be doing 2 events or 2 selections. So our first selection is to select a boy. Our second selection is to select a girl. Let's sketch a picture. Let's find the probability of Mrs. Davis selecting a boy. So remember, the probability is the number of possible outcomes over the total. So if we look at our model, here we have 9 boys out of a total of 12 students. And then think about what would happen once that student was selected. So if she selects the student and it is a boy that gets selected, then that student will no longer be available to be chosen. Do you think the student is going to be put back? That student's name can be put back? Let's think about it. No, right? The student has already been selected for the program. So she will not select the same student as the second student for the program. So once she selects that student's name is out, and we will no longer consider that student. So now we only have 8 boys and 3 girls. And with those groups of students, we are going to now try to select our second student, and we want that student to be a girl. So in our diagram, we no longer have 12 students, we have 11 students. And so the denominator will be 11. You see how that changed now? And we want a girl this time. So there are still 3 girls, but there are 3 out of 11 chance of selecting a girl during the second student pick. So now that we have our 2 probabilities, the probability of selecting a boy and a girl, let's look at our fractions and make sure they can or cannot be simplified. So 9/12 looks like it would be simplified by 3. That would give us 3/4. So the probability of selecting a boy as the first student is 3/4. And then the probability of selecting a girl as the second student is 3/11. And now we're going to find the probability of selecting a boy and then a girl. So remember, we're going to take our probability for boy, which was 3/4, and the probability for girl in the second pick, which was 3/11, and we're going to multiply them. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 11 is 44. So the probability of selecting 2 students, and what is the probability she will choose a boy followed by a girl when she selects those students, is 9 out of 44. So our answer is A. 9 out of 44 is the probability she will choose a boy followed by a girl when she selects 2 students for the after-school program.